Hello students, I'm Suja Shaju. Welcome to today's biology class. Today, let's discuss some of the important questions of chapter 10, that is human microbes in human welfare. The weightage of this chapter is 6 to 7 marks. Some years they have asked for 6 marks, some years they have asked for 7 marks. But one 5-mark question is sure from this chapter. So you can expect 5-mark question from this chapter. Okay, now let's discuss the questions. Okay, now let's discuss the questions which were asked in the year 2014. So in March 2014, from this chapter, 6 marks were asked. The first question was a 1-mark question. Mention the bacterium responsible for large holes seen in Swiss cheese. Hope you all know the answer. What is that? Propionibacterium shermani. Okay, you have to write the spelling correctly. Then only you will get full marks. Now question number 2. Briefly describe the role of biological control of pests and diseases. Hope you understood the question. Role of biological control means you have to write about biocontrol. So first you have to write what is biocontrol. What is biocontrol? Biocontrol refers to the use of biological methods to control plant diseases and pests. Then you have to write the ill effects of using pesticides and insecticides. Some 4 points are there. Then you have to write about the role of ladybird and dragonflies in controlling aphids and mosquitoes. You have to write the role of Bacillus thuringiensis to control caterpillar larvae. Then you have to write the role of trichoderma. Then you have to write the role of baculoviruses. So you have to write, if you write all these points, you will be getting full 5 marks. Now coming to July 2014. Here also 6 marks questions were asked. The first question was, what are biofertilizers? So you have to write the definition of that. Biofertilizers are the organisms which are used to enrich the nutrient quality of the soil. So if you write this, you will get 1 mark. Then question number 2. Explain different stages involved in sewage treatment. So here you have to write first what is sewage. Then you have to write the different steps, that is primary treatment and secondary treatment. Then you have to explain about primary treatment. There you have to write about filtration and sedimentation. Then you have to write about secondary treatment. When you write about secondary treatment, you have to mention about aeration tank, the role of aerobic microbes, then formation of flocs. Then you have to write about the BOD gets reduced, then it is passed on to settling tanks, then formation of activated sludge, that is the flocs get settled down. Then you have to write activated sludge is then passed on to anaerobic sludge digesters, where the aerobic bacteria and fungi will be killed and the water can be safe to be released into water bodies. So you have to explain this, all the stages. Okay, so that is about 2014. Now let's go on to, that is 2015. In March 2015, they asked for 8 marks. The first question, mention the use of cyclosporin A. You know, cyclosporin A is used as an immunosuppressive agent in organ transplant patients. Now question number 2, discuss the role of fungi as biofertilizer. So we know that fungi, trichoderma, is used as a biofertilizer. That is, it forms mycorrhiza. Association of fungi with roots of higher plants is called as biofertilizer. Sorry, it's not trichoderma, it is a glomus, species glomus, found in the root of higher plants, play an important role in acting as biofertilizer. How does it act? It helps the plants to absorb phosphorus from the soil. It shows resistance to root-borne pathogens. It shows tolerance to salinity and drought, and thereby it helps in overall growth and development of the plant. So you have to write all these points. Then question number 3, draw a neat labeled diagram of a typical biogas plant. So you have to write a neat, you have to draw a neat labeled diagram, and only that, there is no explanation. Here they have asked only draw a neat labeled diagram. So read the question carefully, understand the question, and then you answer it. So here they have asked only for diagram, and if you draw the diagram neatly and label all the parts, you will get 5 marks. Now coming to July 2015. July 2015, again 6 marks. First question, name the fungus that produce cyclosporin A. Cyclosporin A is produced by the fungus Trichoderma polysporum. Question number 2, describe the parts of a typical biogas plant with a labeled diagram. So here please note, here they have asked you to describe the part. So you have to write about the construction of a biogas plant and then draw the diagram. Then only you will get 5 marks. Okay, so that is all about 2015. Now let's 2016. March 2016, again the questions were asked for 6 marks. The first question, mention the use of statin. So in 2015 you have seen they have asked about a bioactive molecule. 16 also they have asked another bioactive molecule, that is statin. What is the use of statin? Statin is used as a blood cholesterol lowering agent. Then question number 2, explain the role of microbes in industrial products. So when you write this question, you have to cover all the points which is given in your textbook. The first point, microbes are used in the production of fermented beverages like wine, beer, brandy, rum, etc. Then second point, microbes are used in the production of antibiotics. So in the first point you can write brewer's yeast. Microbes like brewer's yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, is used for the production of ethanol or fermented beverages. Second point, microbes like Penicillium notatum is used for the production of penicillin. Then you have to write the microorganisms are used in the production of organic acids on a large scale. Write all the 4 organic acids like citric acid, put a dash and write Aspergillus niger. Then acetic acid, Acetobacter aceti, butyric acid, Clostridium butylicum. Then you have to write lactic acid bacteria. Then next point, microbes are used in the production of enzymes like protease pectinase, lipase and streptokinase. Then there you can write lipase, put a dash and write used as to remove oily stain from the laundry. Then next one, pectinase and protease used to clear bottled fruit juices. Streptokinase used as a clot buster. Then you have to write microbes are also involved in the production of bioactive molecules. Write cyclosporin A, put a dash, Trichoderma polysporum. Then uses immunosuppressive agent in organ transplant patients. Statin, Monascus purpureus, used as a blood cholesterol lowering agent. So you have to cover all these points, then only you will get full 5 marks. Next, July 2016, 9 marks questions were asked this particular year. First question, which bioactive agent is used as an immunosuppressive agent? You know that immunosuppressive agent is cyclosporin A. Then define BOD. You have to write the full definition. BOD refers to the amount of uptake of oxygen, which would be consumed if all the organic matter present in 1 liter of water were oxidized by bacteria. Next question, draw a neat label diagram of biogas plant. Here you have to draw only the diagram, you have to label the parts, but you will be getting only 2 marks for that. Then explain the role of microbes in household products. So here you have to write all the points of household products. First you have to write the role of lactic acid bacteria. right? Converting milk into curd, coagulation of milk resulting in the formation of it coagulates the milk and digests the milk proteins. Then you have to write it enhances the nutrient quality of curd by enhancing vitamin B12 content. Then you have to write it also helps in destroying some of the microbes present in the stomach. Then you have to write some microbes like baker's yeast, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, is used in bread industry. Then fermentation of microbes. Some microbes help in the puffed up appearance of idli and dosa dough. Then you can write traditional drink toddy is prepared by the fermentation of sap of palms. Okay, then you have to write about large holes which are used found in Swiss cheese is due to the evolution of carbon dioxide by the action of Propionibacterium shermani. Then you can write the production of this one Roquefort cheese. Okay, Roquefort cheese. So all these points you have to cover in this answer. Now let's see next year, that is 2017. March 2017, again 6 marks. First question, name the microbe used in the production of citric acid. You know that, Aspergillus niger. Describe the biogas plant with a neat label diagram. Again here you have to describe it and then draw a neat label diagram. Then coming to 2017 July, first question is, what are phlox? What are phlox? Masses of bacteria associated with fungal filaments. They are called as phlox. Coming to the next question, describe the role of microbes as biofertilizer. So first you have to write the definition of biofertilizer. Then you have to write the role of bacteria, Rhizobium as well as Azotobacter and Azospirillum. Then you have to write the role of mycorrhiza. Then you have to write the role of cyanobacteria. So you have to write all these points, then only you will be getting full 5 marks. So that is July 2017. To the next year, that is 2018. March 2018, again 6 marks. First question, mention the role of methanobacterium in the rumen of cattle. So we have studied methanobacterium. Methanobacterium, commonly called as methanogens, are found in the rumen of cattle. It helps in the breakdown of cellulosic material and thereby help in the nutrition of cattle. So you have to write 2 points there. That is, one is breakdown of cellulosic material and the second point is helps in nutrition of cattle. Second question, describe the role of microbes in sewage treatment plant. So we know that microbes are involved only in secondary treatment. So you have to only explain about secondary treatment. Primary treatment, just give a mention. So the points that you have to write here is, first you write what is the definition of sewage. Then you write sewage treatment involves 2 steps, primary treatment and secondary treatment. Then you write what is primary treatment. Primary treatment involves filtration and sedimentation. Then come to no microorganisms are involved in primary treatment. Coming to the next, you have to explain that secondary treatment, the whole thing. Okay, hope you'll be able to write it. Now coming to July 2018, again 6 marks questions. First question, mention the commercial importance of Monascus purpureus. For this you should know what is Monascus purpureus used for. You know that it is used for the synthesis of a bioactive molecule called statin. Right? What is it statin used for? It is used as a blood cholesterol lowering agent. This is what you have to write. The next question, draw a neat label diagram of typical biogas plant. So here you have to draw only the diagram, label it, 3 marks. It has one more sub question. Mention the beneficial role of anaerobic bacteria in secondary treatment. What is the role of anaerobic bacteria? Anaerobic bacteria digest and kill the aerobic bacteria and the fungi present in the activated sludge. It also result in the production of a mixture of gases called as biogas. Right? So these are the 2 points that you have to write. One, you have to write it helps in killing or digesting the aerobic bacteria and fungi present in the activated sludge. Second one, it also during the digestion it results in the formation of a mixture of gases called biogas consisting of methane, hydrogen sulfide and hydrogen. So if you write all these 2 points, you will get full 2 marks. Okay, so that's all about July 2000. Now coming to 2019. It was asked for 7 marks. First question, write the scientific name of source organism of citric acid. You know that, Aspergillus niger. Spelling very important. Then second question was asked as a sub question. Explain the role of 3 organisms as biocontrol agents. So you have to mention any 3. You have to explain in detail how the organisms control disease causing plant diseases and pest. So first you can write about ladybird and dragonflies used in destroying the aphids and mosquitoes. Then you have to explain the role of Bacillus thuringiensis. Then you can explain the role of baculoviruses. Okay, so any 3 you can write. Then coming to the next, what is the significance of BOD? Very important. BOD is a test which helps to measure the amount of organic matter present in the given sample of water. Okay, it is so explain, just write what is BOD and then write its significance. So that is about March 2019. Now one more question is there, that is, give an example for a fungus found in mycorrhiza. Which is a fungus that is found? You know that, genus Glomus. July 2019. First question, name the microbe which is used to produce citric acid. Again, Aspergillus niger. Define BOD. You know what is the definition. Draw a neat label diagram of biogas plant. So again, they have asked only for diagram. Okay, hope it's clear. Then the last is the recent paper, that is March 2020. 7 marks were asked. First question, write the scientific name of fungus which produce cyclosporin A. So cyclosporin A is a bioactive molecule and the fungus is Trichoderma polysporum. Which bacteria is commonly found in the anaerobic sludge during sewage treatment? Which bacteria, which is an anaerobic bacteria that we have studied? Methanobacterium or methanogens. Next question, explain the biogas plant with a neat labeled diagram. So here again you have to draw a diagram, label it and then explain. Okay, explain all the parts. So hope it's clear. So if we analyze all these years, the question papers, you must have found one question sure from that topic, that is chemicals, enzymes or bioactive molecules. So most of the years one question is sure from that topic, either bioactive molecule or organic acids. So the same way sewage treatment is also repeatedly asked, biogas plant is also repeatedly asked. Okay, so hope you understood this chapter and go through all these questions once again and prepare for this chapter. Okay, thank you.